Hi everyone, today we're gonna make rose. For this project, we'll need green and red. You can use any color you like. Also, we will need 3D printing pen. So let's get started. First, we're gonna make the petal for the rose. Before you started it, you might wanna have something, some kind of paper or paper towels, something, because after we're done, we're gonna try to bend it and it's still hard, so it's gonna burn your finger. Okay, after we're done, while it's still hot, we want to bend it. For the curve of the petal, depending on if you want to make your flowers blooming more or it's kind of cross up a little bit. So this curve is up to you. You can change it to any way you want it. And just repeat each step and make all the flowers petals as many as you want it to be. After we're done, we'll connect them together. So I'm going to show you one more time. So now just repeat this step and make 5 of each for 4 different sizes. This is bigger one, smaller, smallest, smallest. And I'll see you when you're done. Okay, now we have finished all the petals. We have 4 different sizes, 5 pieces on each size. We're gonna glue them together. We're gonna start from the smallest first and just put them together and glue them from the bottom here. Okay, once we finish in the center part here, we're gonna start it, go to the next size. Now we have finished our flowers part. Now when you turn around in here, there's a hole in here, so I'm gonna fill up a little bit on this hole. Okay, so now we have finished our flowers. We're gonna start working on the green part, so I'm gonna change our color to green. Okay, now we're gonna start making the green part right here. Then after we're done, while it's still hard, you want to bend it a little bit so you will have a curve like that. So that way we can connect it to the flowers. So it will look like this. So now just repeat this step and make 4 more. I'll see you when you're done. Okay, after we have all the pieces done, we're gonna glue them together from the bottom here. While it's still hot, and you sit on your table and wait until it dry. That way it will stick together. So just repeat this step and do all 5 of them. So after you're done, it should look like this. Now we're gonna continue make its stem. First we're gonna make these 2 leaves. Same, use this template. And make sure when it's done, we're gonna bend a curve. So make sure you have something so you can touch it so you won't burn your finger. Okay, you can bend it in any angle you want. Okay, now now it's just repeat step, make another lip. Okay, so now I think we're good. Now we're gonna start making this stem. I'm just gonna use this and make the stem. Stem. And if you want to make something on this side, because this side is flat, you can just go around it. Now we're gonna glue these two pieces together. Okay, now our rose is done. If you like my video, please give me a big thumb up and subscribe for more videos like this. Make a comment down below and let me know what would you like to see next. If you like this video, you might like my other videos. Make sure to check out my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye!